And here again, start over. Under painting lang siya. Ganda ng color. It's a mix of warm yellow and peach. Itong kalalabasan. Tingnan mo. While doing this, wala pa akong idea nung maging subject ko. Kunti na lang. So, I'm done with the underpainting. Kapag nag-dry up, saka pa lang ako mag-sketch kung anong pwede.